A suit for malicious prosecution may be brought by the original defendant A. at the time the complaint is filed against him, B. at the time the prosecution begins, C. upon conviction, D. upon acquittal. Answer: D. upon acquittal. Malicious prosecution refers to the abuse of process. If any person is maliciously prosecuted, he or she can file a case under malicious prosecution once he is acquitted of the crime he was maliciously accused of committing. Its elements include intentional, intentionally instituting and pursuing a legal action that is brought without probable cause and dismissed in favor of the victim of the malicious prosecution.